everyone, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you a very short summary recap of our Improvers Solo Jive practice routine number 9, and this was taught in the online class on the 6th of March 2023. If you're looking for the full class, it is in my video library on the website. Let me turn around and make a little start. We did an 8-count basic, back, rock, triple step, back, rock, triple step. We repeated that again. Back, rock, triple step, back, rock, triple step. I then did a back, rock, triple step forwards, tap behind with the left, step on it to the side, and then triple step back. I then crossed over with my left foot, did some toe heel swivels, toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross. I held for 1 count, lift the knee, put it down, double flick, chassé, double flick, and then I kept that in the air and went straight into the corner flicks. Corner, corner, back and change. Corner, corner, back and change. I did that 4 times. Let me do that with the count from the beginning. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There we go. Like I said, it was just a very short summary routine from our Improvers Solo Ballroom Latin class on the 6th of March 2023. Thank you so much for watching. If you're seeing this in YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe, help me grow the channel. And if you're already watching this in my video library, then thank you so much for your ongoing support. And I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.